Hello everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to announce XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big of the CoinsKid crew. So I was showing this the other day. I think this is an amazing little system that I've created for the CoinsKid crew. It's a visual representation on the micro time frame of each coin. Okay, and each coin has its own little micro time frame sentiment basically. That's why, you know, there are opportunities across the board when one coin breaks out, the other one follows, so on and so forth. You see all these independent little moves, and you know, I've created this particular, basically a heat map, a visual heat map called crypto blocks, you know, just so you can see your opportunities, whether or not you're looking for longs or shorts or whatever on the micro time frame. It's really good, and we've been having a lot of success with this. I'm going to refine this even more. At the moment this is micro, but I'm going to make it even more micro because there are lots of opportunities even on the 15-minute and 5-minute time frame. So I'm going to make it for that. Stay tuned for that particular development coming forward, okay, and I'll keep you updated once I release that. Equally, I'm going to do it for the macro. This is the micro. This is basically day trading opportunities. For example, a couple of days ago I did relay the CoinsKid crew, you know, Bitcoin was in a state of worry and there were long ops according to the micro time frame futures blocks, and it was a beautiful little move. We've seen a nice little move up in a lot of these coins, but so far we're starting to see the likes of XRP, what coin is that, Tao, we've got Render, we've got Algo, we've got this coin here, SKL, we've got this coin here, KDA, we've got AGLD, and we've got this coin here as well, you know, A8, that are pushing into the greed territory. So if you're looking to come in along these now, you're late to the party. So you should be looking at coins that are basically neutral or green. You can clearly see there's only one there, Unfi, or Unfi, however you say it, that's, you know, in a state of green basically, which is a state of worry, which is where Bitcoin was the other day before it pumped basically. So, you know, at the moment even Ethereum is pushing up into a state of optimism. So you may have missed a push on that. So you're looking for coins in the list that are basically neutral, that are on the up. For example, PolyX, we'll take a quick look at that because it's on the up. The state is neutral, so we'll take a quick look at that. At the moment you're pushing up the stairs, you're in a neutral state, you've actually flipped green on the super trend on the hour, so that would be a good little trade. If you're looking for a long to catch up with the rest of the market where you get overheated and go orange and red, then you would just go long, stop loss, pivot low, and just ride it up. Now all of these coins, all you do is come to these coins on CoinsKid.com, click the bit, get, boom, you can long it. That's really that simple, or short it. These are the futures blocks on CoinsKid.com. So if I'm looking for a trade in XRP right now, okay, which potentially, you know, there is a little short opportunity coming up, and it doesn't mean I'm a perm bear or whatever, but if there is a trade on XRP, then the crypto blocks is telling me it's a short, not a long. This is why I created it on the micro time frame. You're pushing up, you're increasing the probability of a short opportunity. So let's take a look at it right now. So if I zoom out on the hourly time frame, you clearly see that we're really coming up the stairs. Look at that. But we've got a massive, huge bearish divergence. If we take a look at the 4 hour, equally triple bearish divergence, 1 2 3 pivot highs, 1 2 3 pivot lower highs. If we switch to the daily, you can clearly see as well we're getting a massive flag up here, again a bearish divergence. So we've got a high, a high, a high in the index, and we've got a high, a lower high, a lower high in the RSI. So there's a little bit of a flag here. Okay, that might be a nice little short up, and we might be seeing a bearish divergence that's telling us that right now if you're buying or you're long in there, you're making a mistake basically, and the crypto blocks is giving us that trend basically, giving us that signal. So for me this is a triple bearish divergence, pivot point, pivot point, pivot point. If we do come in for some kind of correction, which is absolutely possible, and this is a clue on the hourly, on the 4 hourly, and on the daily we have a bearish divergence, then it's an opportunity that we found through crypto blocks on the micro time frame. Really, really simple. So I'm going to show you exactly the trade I'll do today on XRP. So basically I would just jump into a short right now, a very, very minimal risk trade. Okay, I wouldn't pile in loads and loads of money on this particular trade, and I would just let it ride. And if it breaks out, okay, I get liquidated, I lose a bit of money, but to catch the next leg down, it could be quite nice and appreciative, because if we take a look at the hourly time frame, yesterday I did relay to you what we've got is a potential A, B, C, and right now possibly an impulsive move into this level of resistance here, which basically an ascending triangle would break out on the 3rd point resistance, which is what we've done. But you can clearly see what we've not done on the break is backtest the break as support basically. So there's your resistance, you've broke out and you've not come back to this neckline support. So if the bearish divergence that we're finding on the hourly time frame, look, where's one pivot point, there's another pivot point, high, 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 but you're making lower highs in the RSI. If that is the case, then basically we could be looking at a nice little short up that comes back down just to backtest the breakout, which is around about 8% short opportunity that could bottom by tomorrow. So this is why I do like to try and find trades, long, short, whatever, on a micro time frame. There may be a little micro short here for XRP just to come back down from here, and I'll show you exactly what I'm looking at right now. And again, it could be completely wrong. This is why I'm just going to not even apply a stop loss. I'm just going to let it ride out because I've been making so much money on XRP. This is just a lovely little hedge bet, around about 7.7%. Just to let it ride out. So I won't even apply stop loss on this, and I'll probably use something like $100, 5x or something like that, and execute this particular trade. And if it comes down, I've made a bit of money, but if it doesn't, I get stopped out, get liquidated. It is what it is, but I've made so much money. It's just a little hedge play on XRP. At this point, I'm not going to jump into a long because I need to see the back test, I need to see more structural data, and I need to see the bearish divergence broken out on the daily time frame. So that is really simple trading on how you can find longs and shorts on XRP. So I'll execute short, I'll go to buy bit and bit get in a moment, jump into them shorts, and then I keep you updated with them shorts in the Discord right there. But there are other opportunities. If you're looking for longs to catch up XRP's breakout, you could be looking at, I've already shown you, but let's look at another one. We've got Loon C just here on the up in green, in neutral state, basically an ascending triangle. We've already seen XRP do this. Look, there's your A, there's your B. You're coming up like this, and then you're coiling up, and then you broke out on the third point resistance. Well, this coin hasn't, so that would be the opportunity to catch up XRP. Really, really simple. That's trading using crypto blocks. So that's just a quick tutorial today on how to use crypto blocks. I'll be back tomorrow hopefully with an XRP update, but if you're looking for more XRP regular content, definitely dive into the Discord right there. But what I'm looking at, because of the bearish divergence I'm seeing pile up right now, I'm just going to jump into a little micro head short on XRP. I've not sold my position in XRP yet. My big macro move that I've been buying, accumulating all of those for many years right now, I've not sold that position. I need to see a little bit more structural data, more bearish signals across the board, and the data points I'm looking for to sell my XRP. I hope you enjoyed that little micro time frame trading tutorial using the crypto box on CoinsKid.com. Take care everyone, back to an update on XRP. Bye bye.